Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have an Expobar office control. I came to the shop because it stopped heating. It had previously been into the shop with the same issue. The problem was misdiagnosed. The problem ended up being that, so there's a control board up here that's responsible for dosing, you know, is responsible for dosing and also distributing power. The main connectors that connects the rest of the machine to it were severely burnt, and that was causing intermittent connections that, the first time around were difficult to reproduce. But once I was able to find that, I was able to desolder it and put a new connector in. So yeah, now you can see that the light power switch is on, so we have power. We have steam. Let's heat it up. You can see that the light, because it's pressure stack controlled, the steam triggered the light to turn on, the heating elements causing it to heat back up. We also have water. Pump turns on. That turns off. After it's reached temperature, it's turned back on because it just filled the boiler with cold water. So we have sort of behavior we would expect from it. And then I'm also going to test the control panel. This has a couple settings. I'm just going to do one that has pre-infusion built in, just to show that you hear the pump turn on. That light turns off for a second, turns back on. We don't have this dialed in or anything. I think I have to adjust the grinders. It might be a little too fine, too much. Yeah, it's a bit of a slow shot, and that's my fault. But yeah, so that turned off, meaning that it was the flow meter in there is working. It triggered correctly. It's just poor puck prep on my part. Yeah, and that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching.